ISODD function checks a value is odd and returns true or false. If any cell has value odd, this function returns logical value true. If any cell has value even, this function returns logical value false. If any cell has non-numeric value, this function returns value error value. This function has only one argument. In number argument, select the cell reference or type the value that you want to test. In number box, select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns logical value false in this cell. Because this cell contains a even number. Activate this cell, click More Functions arrow button, click ISODD function. In number box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns the value error value in this cell. Because this cell contains a text value. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Activate this cell. Function returns the logical value true in this cell. Because this cell contains a odd value. This value is not an integer. Function truncates this value. As a result, function returns logical value true in this cell. Because number 71 is odd number, function returns logical value true in these two cells. Because these two cells have value in odd numbers. If you convert these two cells' value in number format, you will have value in odd number. Activate this cell. Function returns logical value false in this cell. Because this cell contains a even number. Before the decimal point, this number 14 is even number. As a result, function returns logical value false in this cell.